The influence of Amazon Kindle formatting and conversion services. Amazon Kindle, one of the biggest and credible ebook platforms with 170 plus countries and millions of ebooks, enabling anyone with strong content to publish their work. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing is a tool that allows authors to upload their content while deciding the layout and design of their ebooks. Create from scratch. First-time authors and writers can submit their manuscripts and use Amazon Kindle to type in, manage and submit their work. Read aloud audiobooks. Amazon Kindle's Read Aloud audiobooks contain full text-to-speech narration, which can be played and paused by readers. Digital cookbooks. Amazon Kindle has thousands of cookbooks by first-time authors as well as renowned chefs, fitness experts and nutritionists. Multilingual approach. Books on Amazon Kindle can be published in all languages so that authors are able to engage with any kind of audience around the world. Outsource Amazon Kindle formatting and conversion services. Outsource services to get expert help with content, technology, distribution services, and customer support. Contact us www.sunticdigital.com 1-585-283-0055. info@sunticdigital.com